Cooling or crash? The housing market changed a lot in June 2022. Let's dig into what's happening. Stay tuned to hear more. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jill Upleger with Denver Real Estate at RE/MAX Alliance. If you're interested in the Denver area, then you have come to the right place. I post weekly tips, tours, and topics about real estate and living in the Denver area. If you'd like to see more of my videos, remember to tap that subscribe button. In June, the real estate market shifted quite a bit after the mortgage rate increase, which was the largest increase in 28 years. The market is much different than what we've experienced in the past couple of years, where there were bidding wars and extremely high prices. In this video, we'll review statistics and discuss what these recent shifts mean for buyers and sellers in the Denver metro real estate market. Highlights for the month: affordability became a factor as increasing mortgage interest rates pushed monthly payments higher. Buyers were less active with less closings and contracts written in June. Due to less contracts being written, the number of homes on the market increased, giving buyers more homes to choose from. With these factors in play, home prices leveled off, staying consistent with May, but still at double-digit increases to last year. Homes sold were down 8% to May and down 20% year over year. This is the first decrease in closings this year. The number of homes going under contract was down 16% month over month and 22% lower than last year. New listings increased again this month, up 4% compared to May, although down 4% year over year. The most listings came on the market in the $500,000 to $600,000 price range. There were 5,800 active listings at the end of June, nearly double to the 2,900 last June. The median number of days a home was on the market increased to 5 days, up 1 day versus May and last year. This was across the board for homes in all price ranges. There are now 5 weeks of inventory, up 1 week versus May, but still very low when considering 5 to 6 months of inventory is a balanced market. Home prices stayed level to May with no change month over month. Good news for buyers, although prices are still 14% higher than last year. The median close price for single-family homes was $670,000. Condos, townhomes, multifamily homes was $430,000. The median close price for all types of homes was $615,000. Homes in the price range of $500,000 to $700,000 represented 41% of all closings. 11% of all closings were in the $1 to $2 million price range. Sales in this price range increased 148% over the last 2 years. Cooling or crash? The first half of 2022 was still a fast-paced competitive market, while the second half of the year is expected to bring a more balanced market. The market definitely has signs of cooling: growing inventory, slowing sales, sale price reductions, less mortgage applications, and buyers backing out of deals. Home prices for June stayed level to May, the first month in a long time we didn't see prices increase. In a crash, there would be a dramatic price drop in home prices. This is not expected, as there's still a housing supply shortage and there is still a lot of demand from buyers in the market. These buyers are expected to continue to absorb the increase in inventory that we are seeing. Due to the change in economic conditions and increased mortgage rates, we will see more inventory in the market. Buyers that no longer qualify will exit the market, in turn reducing demand. These factors are a positive for buyers that remain in the market searching for a home. Less demand and more options means buyers may not need to offer over asking price. For sellers, demand may be lower with less competition. Homes no longer are selling for any price, and a seller may need to reduce their price if their home stays on the market more than a couple of weeks. The average days on market was 10 days in June, which is still pretty fast. This is a high-level look at the Denver metro real estate market, which spans over several counties. There are variations by city, neighborhood, and even price range. A knowledgeable real estate agent can help you understand city and neighborhood trends, as well as helping clients rate a competitive offer. If you found today's topic helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you get notifications every time I post a video, and you won't miss a thing. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to check out some of my other videos showing on the screen. Thanks for watching.